Hey guys, what's up guys? Are you struggling to drive traffic to your blog post or your affiliate network? If yes, then keep watching the video because I'll be telling you a easy method by which you can drive traffic to your blog post. And don't worry, I am not going to tell you about Google algorithm or Google SEO. I'm going to talk about a very simple process of Pinterest by using which you can drive millions of traffic to your blog or your affiliate network and earn very high amount of money, guys. So keep watching the video. I'll be telling you all the details, and rather I'll be showing you everything in my laptop screen in my backend. So keep watching the video and let's get started. So guys, in 2020, Google algorithm is very tough to beat, and it is very difficult to rank on Google, and you have to do SEO for more than 1 to 2 years to rank your article high in Google. So that means driving traffic would be extremely tough in Google or YouTube. Now what you can do to drive traffic not in years but in weeks or days. Guys, good news, I have a solution for you. I will be telling you in this video how you can drive millions of traffic to your blog post directly from Pinterest. Guys, Pinterest is not only a social platform, rather it is a search engine where people used to search their queries, and whatever pins are beneficial for them, they can directly go to the blog post using the pins. If you are getting confused, don't worry, I'll be showing you everything in my laptop screen, and I'll be telling you how you can generate the income and how you can drive the traffic from your particular pins to your particular blog post, and you can earn very high amount of money. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump into my laptop screen where I'll show you how you can create SEO friendly pins as well as boards in Pinterest, which can rank higher in Pinterest, and they ultimately drive traffic to your blog site and you can earn a lot of amount of money. So guys, let's jump in. Hey guys, I'm in my laptop screen right now, and as you can see, I'm in the dashboard of Pinterest. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you can actually create engaging pins and how you can create a good groups, SEO friendly groups. So stay tuned guys. So first of all, to start with, if you see the dashboard of Pinterest, guys, most of you already maybe seen the Pinterest dashboard. If you see, this is neither it's neither a social platform nor a search engine, rather it's a mix up of both. It is not, it also works like Google. If you want to search anything, you can here search, like I can search earn money from home and or anything, whatever you want, you can search it, and then you can see the pins relevant to the topic that you are searching for. At the same time, if you follow, Pinterest also gives you independency to follow people, to connect with people. This particular account I have created just for demonstration purpose, and if you see, there already I have something around 57 to 60 follows just around one day, and I just worked around one day. So this is a kind of mixture of both. This is one of the very important thing that you need to understand. And the second important thing that you have to understand is, guys, it is not like Google. It is like very visual. Pinterest is very visual. If you see, you can see a lot of pictures, and recently Pinterest also promote videos, so you can see a lot of things. It's not like Google where you have to read the content. So that is the reason Pinterest is getting popular day by day. And the most important thing is that, according to a study, a normal person scroll and see around 63 pins before jumping out from any content. So this is actually very high. Did you ever remember to check out 63 articles in Google? No. So these are the things that make Pinterest unique. So guys, let us start and let us discuss how actually you can create a pin. Now guys, pin is something like, it's very simple. Pin is a kind of a post that you used to do in Facebook or Instagram. It is same as a post. All these things, these are actually the pins. So if I click on anything, then this is a pin, guys, where this is basically the title, and then there is some description is there. This part is called description, and then you have something called as the the link. So this basically, when you are creating any pin in Pinterest, you can create a particular picture of a standard size, and then you can link it to your website, so that when people like your pin, they can click on the picture and they can directly redirect to your website, and then ultimately you can drive traffic to your website or your blog, and then ultimately you can create an income for yourself. So this is kind of the very basic of Pinterest, guys. Let us understand how you can create a good pin, things like this. So to do this, first what you have to do, you have to go and create pin. But before doing that, what you need to do is you need to first create a picture of this size. Pinterest has three particular sizes which are really famous. If you see your dashboard, you can see a lot of pins of the same size. If you see, these are by and large the same pins. The size of the pins are by and large same. So guys, let us understand how you can create pins like this. So guys, to do this, what you have to do is you have to go to canva.com. Canva is a very popular site. So here actually what you can do, you can create any particular type of graphic design very simply. When I'm saying very simply, anyone can do it, and you can do it within minutes. So let me tell you how you can do it. You have to go to create a design. By the way, if you're creating YouTube content, you can also create YouTube thumbnails or Instagram post by this particular Canva. So it's kind of very helpful. This is one of the widget that you should know. So guys, what you need to do is you need to click on Pinterest, Pinterest graphics. So once you click on that, you land a page something like this. So now guys, this page is nothing but predefined pin recipes or layouts that are already available. So just for reference purpose, we'll create a pin today, which deals with the educational purposes. So that means will create a pin on how to make money online. So if you see here, there are a lot of pre-designed pins, and there is something called as the title of the pin. So what you can do, you can just scroll down and see which template basically it suits your requirements. So I'll just check one of them. So okay, so I like this one. If you like it, you just have to click it, and immediately you can see it in your dashboard. So this is basically a kind of a dashboard where you can edit everything. Whatever you can see, you can just edit. So what you can do, guys, you can just come to upload. So once you come to upload, so these are some of my past pins. If you see, it's not actually my pins. These are basically the dashboard where I can you can upload images, and then you can make your particular Pinterest pin. So guys, what you need to do is actually you can go and upload any image in this particular section. So it's very simple. I'll not go in the details. You just have to click on upload an image, and then you can upload. I have already uploaded all these images. What I'll do is I'll simply click on any image. Once you click on it, the image will be redirected to here, and then what you can do, you can send it back. Okay, we'll send it back because we want to see other stuff in front of that. So just okay. So then guys, what you need to do, you just have to set up the image. When you are doing setup, means you just have to set up the size of this image. So what we'll do is we'll do something like this. And then what is very important is, guys, Canva also gives you a lot of effect for the picture. So if you see, we'll have filters where you can enhance the picture quality. You can see now it's very clear, and it's very sharp right now. And then I can also edit this this particular text here. I can do work from home techniques. So, and then you can customize this. You can customize the size, you can do everything with this. You can change the color or whatever you want. You can do anything with this thing. It's very simple, guys. It's free to use. I highly recommend that you to go and create some pins. Once you do this, so I'll just delete it. Once you do this, guys, the next step is you have to download it. So don't, you can also directly publish it to Pinterest, but in this tutorial what I'll do is I'll just download it. So to do this you can become a pro member, but I don't recommend it. You can be a free member. You can download good quality images if you are a free member. Don't spend your money in this thing. So what you can do is you can directly download, and once you download, it will take around 1 minute, and then bang on, you will see the images. So that's it. You see guys, that's it. It's a good quality picture, and I got my text. I can also put everything else whatever I want. So the next thing is, guys, or to upload a pin, what you need to do is you have to go to Pinterest. Okay, and then what you need to do is you have to create your group. So guys, group are nothing but the storage where you can keep your pin. So whenever you are creating any pin, you have to store it in a group. So what you need to do is you need to before creating any particular pin, you have to actually create some boards. So I have actually created some boards of mine. I have 5 boards right now. I just started this particular Pinterest account. So if you see here, this is one of my this is one of the work from home. This is kind of my board. So okay, so what I'll do is I'll just show you how to create one board. It's very very simple. What you need to do is you have to go to boards, you have to create new, and then you will just write the name of your board. I'll just, in this particular video, I'll just say content writing, just for reference. And then I'll, okay, so I'm also already having account of this. So I'll do how to do how to set up Pinterest. This is one of the accounts that I want to create. This is kind of a board. Once I click on okay, create, then what we'll do is it will automatically show me the pins which is relevant to this. So what you need to do is guys, these are already pins available in Pinterest by other people. So in the beginning, don't go and don't think that you can only save your pins. Rather, you go and help people, and you can save their pins like this. It's very very simple. Just save all the pins of people who you think are good. So then you just have to click it done, and then yeah, you can see I have already 48 followers. Now guys, what is very very important is the SEO of the board. So SEO, when I'm doing, I'll cover this topic in next video because this is a very very broad subject. But guys, here what you need to do is you have to go to edit, and then you have to fill up all these things. So this is basically the name. These are the main keywords that you should target. Like if you are creating a content on logo design, you should create your name of the board based on logo design. Logo design should be there. So this is kind of your main keyword should be there, and then there would be description, and then you can keep it educational or whatever you like, and then you can put a cover image. I will like this. Yeah, this is cool. Free course, this is by somebody else, but it doesn't matter. It's a good one. So, and description is something like which is very very important. You can write around 150 characters over there. You can write all the keywords that you think are important, and just don't just write Pinterest 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 because Pinterest is your keyword. Rather, make a good sentence so that people who are reading it also get some value out of it, and at the same time you'll get some benefit from the issue. So this is all about the creating boards, guys. It's very very simple. Now guys, what you need to understand is how you will create a pin. So guys, creating a pin is very easy. Rather, what you need to do is actually you have to go here and create a pin, and guys, here you have to upload the same image that we have done some time back. So I'll go here, oops, I'll go to downloads. So guys, this is the pin that we have created. I'll just choose this, and that's it, bang on. It directly came to the to the main picture. Now here what you need to do is you have to create a title of this particular pin. So here whatever is your main topic in this particular segment, our main topic is work from home techniques. So what we'll do is top 10 work from home jobs. So this is like our pin title, and this is very very important, guys. Whenever anyone sees your pin, they basically reads this particular title. So this is kind of the title of your pin, and it is very important both for SEO as well as for the readers. So make sure to include a number in this particular title, as well as use your main keyword whatever you're targeting, so that it will help us in the later stage in the SEO of the pin. And then you can write a good description here. Nowadays you can do it around you can write a 500 character description over there. It's very very simple. Write a detailed description here. Although you just have to keep a note that you can people can only see 50 characters of description in the pins, rather than they have to click on it and to see it. And the same way here people can see 30 characters, but 30 characters is by and large very high, guys. I think that should be sufficient to you. So guys, here make sure you type all the LSI keywords. By LSI keywords I mean all the keywords those are similar to the main keyword. Like work from home jobs are our main keyword, and then the LSI keywords would be part-time jobs or extra income or side hustle. These will be the LSI keywords. So you make sure you include all of that in this particular description section and write a detailed description. And then this is the magic, guys. So here what you need to do is you have to create the destination link. So in this case this is kind of my blog, guys. My website name is earninginsight.com. What I'll do is I'll copy my blog URL, and then I'll just paste it. Then yeah, that's very simple, guys. And then bang on, that's all actually I have to do. And then I just have to create publish, and then before that I have to select the right boards where I want to publish. So guys, this is very very important. You have to go and you have to choose the right board which is where you want to publish the content. So in this case I want to publish to legitimate work from home techniques, just to show you guys. So once you do it, and that's it, bang on, it directly creates the the pin, and that's it. It is asking us if you want to promote it. No, we don't want to spend money. We want to save money for some other purposes. So guys, that's it, guys. This is the very basic tutorial on how to create a pin and a board. So subscribe to the channel, because in the upcoming videos I'll be telling you how you can do the SEO in Pinterest, and you can drive millions of traffic. And guys, believe me, you can drive millions of traffic using Pinterest. This particular people not used to use Pinterest correctly. If you use it correctly, you can drive millions of traffic. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. So guys, that's it for the basic tutorial on Pinterest. Now subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and comment below all your queries. I'll try to answer them. Now guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching the video, because I'll be coming up with upper SEO content videos, and how you can do SEO in Pinterest so that you can rank your pins higher in the upcoming videos. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, because I'll notify you next time whenever I create a new video. So until then, guys, bye bye.